Incorrect. You start with median first, then only you go for the mean. Get me? You start with the median first because you can know the value of the median. Then only you go to the mean. That is the best way. Yeah. So what is the value of y? Huh? No. 6. Cannot be 6. 6. How can what? You say got 9 data ma. The median is 12 ma. The mean and the median of a set of 9 numbers are both 12. 7, 9, 11. Oh, saya tahu apa kesalahan saya. Do you know why? 13 is smaller than 12 or bigger than 12? 13 is smaller than 12 or bigger than 12? Student? Hello. Mati saya. So the median have to be here because it's 12. So 13 have to be here. So your y have to be here. Right? At the left hand side of y. Just now, do you see my arrangement just now? Hello. So y is equal to 6. So y have to be less than 12. Because 13, 14, and 17 and 19 are bigger than 12. So you have 4 numbers bigger than 12. And you should have 4 numbers less than 12. But I only have 3. So my y will be less than 12. Are you clear? Hey, just now you don't care one, no? You just let me make my mistake like that. Huh? Okay. When you count median, you always have to arrange in order from the smallest to the biggest. Correct? Okay. So are you okay? So any other question? Okay, 6C.1. (6C.1) 10. Question 10. Okay, you want to prove that, correct? So this proving, the only way you can do is from left hand side go to the right hand side. Okay, do you know the meaning of this? Do you know the meaning of this summation? Okay, you don't know, huh? So now I'm going to tell you this means I got all together how many set of that, how many data? N data. When I have a small little number at the bottom of an unknown or a variable, it represents first, second, third, fourth. If I have small little number on top of a variable, that represents power. That is how you read in math. So that means now I'm going to put this symbol means sum. So the first one minus the mean squared plus the second one minus the mean squared plus many more. Max is very simple. Many more, you put 3 dots. You want to put more also, no one care. Then plus the last one is the N data minus mean squared. Okay. The next, what I have to do, each of them I expand. So now you expand first before I expand. Each square you expand. The first one, the second one, and the last one only. The pattern go the same. So finish expanding. X1 square minus 2 times of x1 times mu plus mu squared. This is pronounced as mu, means the mean, the population mean, plus, so this is the first one. Expansion of the second one, same thing, same pattern. Just copy. Change the position only. Plus, dot, 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 the last one. So you see each group of them, there are 3 terms, correct? So we can group them according to the same terms. Okay, the first group. So I put them into one group. So you put them into one group. That means I put down x1 squared plus x2 squared plus dot, 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 xn squared. Can or not? Okay, the second group is this one. There is a minus. So, but all of them, there is a common factor. There is 2 and mu. So what I can do when I group the second group, I will write it like that. Negative 2 mu. Then the rest are different. So I write down x1 plus x2 plus dot, dot, dot. The last one plus xn. Close. Okay? Everyone, so far so good? Okay, so the last one, how should I write? One of these plus another of these plus dot, 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 another of these. All these are the same, correct? So I will write down as plus mu squared plus mu squared plus dot, 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 mu squared. So how am I going to interpret this? I'm going to ask myself, how many mu square are there? How many mu square are there? N. So I will write down n times. Correct? Okay, so now we simplify. When you have the same thing, the difference is just the position, then you can rewrite back as sum of I equal to 1 to n xn squared. Take away 2 mu. This one also can write it as sum of I equal to 1 to n xi done. Plus n times of mu squared. Okay, so now our issue is here. How to tackle this part? We know that from the formula of mean is equal to what? Still remember the formula for mean? Yes? Christopher, remember or not? Formula for mean. Divide by? What is the frequency here? How many data do I have here? N. So can I replace this with n times mu? So now I'm done. So to prove this out question, what you can do, there's no other way. Expansion is easier than factorization. So you must start from the left-hand side. You don't try to start from the right-hand side, you go crazy. Those who learn SpecMax, you know, you prove you can start from left-hand side to right-hand side or right-hand side to left-hand side. But in this case, you must go from left to right. If you go from right to left, I tell you, you go bonkers. Oh, you get what I mean? So there are two minus 2 of this plus 1 of this. So you left with, take away 1 of this. Am I right? Okay. So I proved the formula already. Proven. This one, all the SpecMax students very clever one, because they every day are proving it. Okay. Done. Okay. Any more question? No. I know you do by yourself.